Hi beauty babes. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you a really cute nail hack design. The material is from the Dollar Tree, so heck yeah, it's $1. So right now I'm using the Sensationail nail gel cleanser to prep my nail. The color on my nails is Nude Mood by the Sensationail Nails. So now what I am using is a gift ribbon that I got from the dollar store. I just took a piece, cut it off, and now I'm just cutting it into pieces and mostly triangles that I'm cutting it into. And it's such a pretty color. It's a opal color, and of course opal has different tones in it. It has a cream base, and then it has tones of pink and tones of green in it. So I just got the ribbon. I have a manicure stick, the pieces that I cut from the gift ribbon, and then I'm using the base coat to make the design. So what I start off by doing is, of course, I'm putting the base coat on my nails so that the ribbon has something to hold on to. So I'm getting my manicure stick with the pointy side, and I'm then going over my nail, and I'm just placing the little cute pieces on my nail. And then you might have to flip some over because they got flipped over, and just make sure that it's the correct side of the ribbon that you're putting on your nails. Cured my nail for 30 seconds with the gel on it and with the design on top of it. Okay, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the base coat again, top coat, and then I'm gonna put it right over it to seal in the nail design, because I want to make sure that nail design ain't going nowhere because it's cute, girl. So again, 30 seconds. If you see the light flash, that's because it flashes every 15 seconds with this LED light. Okay, and then I'm going over to my left hand, and of course I want to make this different. I want it to be different. I don't want it to be identical as my right hand. Okay, so I zoomed in so you can see. I'm getting some of the large pieces that I cut from the ribbon and some smaller pieces, and I'm just putting it together. I just want to make something cute. And if I'm being honest, I would recommend not to go with too many big pieces, just because it does adhere to the base, but it doesn't fold into it. Like a piece of it might be sticking out, and you just want to make sure that the smaller pieces, they adhere to the whole thing. You're not having any pieces stick out. And then you just might have to move around the pieces, and the glue can make it slide around, but do your best to get it in the position you do like, because once you cure it, you can't move it since it is stuck to the base coat. I'm curing my nail again, and then I'm gonna put my top coat over it again just to seal in everything so that my design won't move. I cap it off at the end of my nail. Once your nails are all cured, you're gonna get the gel cleanser, and you're gonna start wiping with a lint-free wipe your nails that you just cured. What the cleanser is doing is it's removing any of the excess oil that the nail polish leaves after it's cured. Make sure that whenever you're removing this, that any cotton pad or whatever it is, it does need to be lint free, just because it can leave a residue behind. So this is the nail design. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating this video for you guys. If you like this video, please give this video a like so I can know that what I'm making is good content. You can also subscribe to this channel because I do plan on making so much more DIY content for you all. Thank you again so much for taking the time to watch this. I love you guys so much. See you next time. Ciao.